What's up, everybody? It's Alex here on the Ultimate Slave Eagle channel, playing some more Ratchet and Clank Tools of Destruction. In the last video, we took care of Planet Kortog, the Strat City, explored Hall of Knowledge, all that other stuff. We had to deal with Tachyon's bullshit. Today, we're going to be exploring Planet Fastoon, where the escape pod had landed us. And again, I just got done filming the first part of Tourist Trophy. So yeah, I need to find a way through this dark hole. And we still have to get the tornado launcher. And I've also started Ripped Apart, if you haven't been keeping up with the vids and stuff. And you're right about that, Clank. As you can see here.
Where is everyone? I tried to tell you, Ratchet. The database said this planet was deserted ages ago.
Ship.
Clank, you see that? It's an old ship. Very old, it would seem.
Jeez, what happened?
We have to fix her. Ratchet, we must be practical. Tachyon will find the pod's flight codes. He will be here any minute. Clank, please. I need to fix her. Oh, very well.
Well, Clank, we do need to get a ship at some point. So.
A virtual diagnostic of the spacecraft confirms 6 missing components necessary for intergalactic travel. Happy hunting.
Okay. Thank you, Help Desk Lady. Returning from Size Matters. Yes, again, it's the same lady from Size Matters and Up Your Arsenal. I need to get these animals here at some point. Alright. I'm gonna get some more bolts as well. See if I can get that tornado launcher. If I can. And I'll get it at some point. I'll get all the weapons and upgrade them to level 5. Before the final boss, just like in Size Matters, kind of, but I missed out on the laser tracer, so I want to make this legitimate. I think that's going to make getting the upgrades in this a hell of a lot easier and waste a lot less time. Alright. Shock Ravager level 2, let's go. Flight component number 1. Alright. And this other part of the area we can't really explore yet. Spoiler alert, we'll get that way later on in the Let's Play. Yeah.
Hold your breath, Clank. Looks like we're moving dead.
Yep. Time to dip. is up here. Better than flight. Can I not go up there yet? Guess not. Guess not yet. Oh, they just went right in the water. Okay, flight compartment number 2 right over here. Awesome. There is something here. Retainer chest, and I got myself another Groovitron, baby. Let's go. Let's see if I can blow this sucker up. And I can. Woohoo! Yeah. Okay. What will be more important to get? Armor or the weapon? I'll get the weapon first, and I'm gonna upgrade my armor. Go. Oh yeah. Double this. That's going to be useful. Oh, hello. Very useful indeed. Got myself a payload. Oh, it's not changing. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get the Predator launcher upgraded some. Hell no. Quite a bit of bolts here. Nasty little fuckers here.
Congratulations! You have received an interstellar holophyte from
Walter Korkowski.
Quark. What the hell do you want, Quark? We're stuck in a deserted planet. There we go. Got them all. Alright. We're doing good so far. Yeah, we got this. Alright, and we are 10,000 more volts away from the next weapon. Oh shit. That might be why. That's gonna be an issue. Just to refill on my ammo thing. Oh, wait. Need to upgrade this. Alright. And before I leave, fuck. Oh well. Yeah, fuck it. We'll be fine. This weapon's upgrading really slowly. Yeah. It's probably a good place to upgrade weapons quickly so far. But, gonna save some and get more weapons later on the line. So, that's gonna be short-lived. Shock Ravager level 3. Alright. Oh, I didn't smash that. It's upgrading alright. Getting progress here. I'll get all the enemies that spawned. Yeah, I know. I'll get to that when I get to the next cutscene. So not that I froze for a second. I was like, game, did it freeze? Okay. Turns out it was stuck. Do not get near mine, it will explode and kill you. While grinding for the armor, I'm gonna upgrade the next weapon off camera. While getting the other skill points I missed. Did I miss the others in that area? Oh, I did. For fuck's sake. There. That's done. Now let's get that last area where I died at. Alright. Well, we're already at 40,000. We'll just continue on. If I die again, then I'll just use the tornado launcher on these guys. Plasma beasts. We need major plasma beasts right in here. Right. That's gonna take me back all the way over there, isn't it? Okay. And this one is, I believe, 5 or 6. Okay, 5. We're missing one. Where is that? Oh, we're gonna have... Oh, we're going in there. So, we're gonna have to go back. That's fine. This is going to be our first Clank gameplay. And
The entrance to this raritanium mine is too small for the both of us. Perhaps I should investigate.
Alright. And Clank gameplay is a lot different from the other games we've played as Clank. So, and you'll see in just a moment. Instead of Gadgetbots, we have Zoni.
Destroy what?
R1, you activate slow-mo. That'll be really useful here. Oh, okay. These blue things, we gotta stand on those and then... We can levitate. Come on. It's going to be useful for some of our weapons. There, down the line. There we go. Now you get past this fucking... And instead, you have to command the Zoni to destroy enemies, they'll attack them automatically. That's going to be very helpful. And Clank's now tech will forever be on 5, so do not mess around. Water is sudden death, immediate death, so levitate I must. Ciao, baby. Okay. Manipulate. That means they can lift things and kind of move things around. Yeah. Enough of these fucking things. Alright. And we got more zoning. A lot of them. Zony indeed. Time to go up. You can destroy things too. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten. Just wait a minute, will ya? That was close. smushed myself there. Damn it. What's up here? Oh, nothing. Now I need to find the last one. There we go. Alright, Raretania. Awesome. Okie dokie. Artichoke. What's in here? Who will return? I won't now. Got the last.
To our database, you now have all the parts necessary to
We
restore
got all
your
the
ship to
components. We can
Thanks for
get
using
back to
Gadgetron's
Ratchet.
virtual diagnostic service. Your account will be billed within 3 working days.
3 working days. Okay. Alright. More retain. That's going to be very useful. That's going to be extremely useful. Alright. We finally got our own ship. Awesome. Alright. Let's go down and head back. Alright. We're good to go. Alright, Ratchet. We got all the parts now.
Okay, I think we have all the parts we need. Let's get to work. This. Yes. Yes! It's working!
Yeah!
I can't believe they used Tickle in them. Bunch of cheese. Oh, hello, Max. I thought I'd never see one again. Thanks for repairing me.
You're welcome. What the hell happened?
Tachyon conquered the city with his army of droppers. It was a cruel act of retaliation. If only he had known how evil the Dread might be. If they had won the war, the entire universe would have fallen under their terrible rule.
What are Drophwaids?
Unpleasant, dreadful, dreadful little creatures from planet Zurich. Tachyon bought their loyalty with Raretanian and recruited them for his own personal army.
It's terrible. Why would Tachyon attack all the Lombaxes though?
I couldn't say really. Probably to steal their technology. All his ships, his enforcers, even the nanotech combat army he gave the droppers, are all made using stolen Lombax technology.
It's not good. Where are the Lombaxes now?
I am sorry. My memory bank seemed to have been damaged in the crash. The last thing I remember was Langland's suppressive fire over the court of Azure.
Can you play the Hollow fight we just received?
Of course. I am equipped with HD47 optical holoscope. Hop in.
Let's go.
Mad for mayhem, crave carnage, adore destruction. Well, today is your lucky day. You have been invited to participate. Witness the greatest, bloodiest, goriest battle in the universe. The Imperial Fight Festival. Come on down to Planet Mukau and enjoy a night of entertainment without any ulterior motives or deception. Offer only valid for fuzzy, long-eared orphans and their tiny robotic companions.
That sounded like Captain Quark. Which means it's probably a trap. But it's our only lead. Let's go see what he's got himself into.
So, with all that done, next time we're going to Mukau and explore down there. Till then, I'm going to catch up the other skill points and catch you on the flip side. Take care, everyone.